Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kono ka kam ka bangile ka Jingim kam dei ka basuk Henry ban poisha ka thong bat ban yo khet yo so jong ka Jingjob in ha ban long ki break ba tresh tom met bat men sim ban thom ni ki ba bun ki Jinge bat ki Jingya le ha ka Jingim ban seng kam la jong kam dei ka kam ka basuk Henry ha ban tresh tom ru na Lade bat ban long ki Briew ki ba amban kan ran din Henry ki ba Yaisha wat ha pedeng ki Jinge bat ki Jingya le Usamla badap bor hanyota ude uwe ni ki samla ubat reishitom ban Ïeng hala ki jong ki Kjat ha ka ba ulala ban play pat ba ya kedukan jong u ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka BH accentuate ka ba de kedukan ka ba aji shakri ki pat ba ha ka liang jong ki jingta jingpin ni ki make up ka jing khap shnyu ka jing ai jing hikai la kalong ha ka jingta rong bat pin internet ya ushnyu pada ka jo ko por ka ni kedukan ka aji hikai ru ye ki we ki khna samla ha ki ti liang bakin pentebet bat kan ke dukan ka Don Sapphire House Don Bosco Road lai kara Shillong ukong san ha ni ka sngi de menteri ke sarkar jela ba pol lingdo maraba ajing kren ha ni ka sngi uba pol loong ba ka sngi ningkong ba uli ya kendo yo samla badap bor ula shem ba utai samla ude wei na ki phong ki samla ke balawat kam wat jam henry minta pat de shu unong wat kam wat jam ula long pen ban wei ni ki samla ubala thau kalat kelanti ban ai kam ai jam ya ki wei ru uba pol ula ong ba kum unong mi khmat jong ki pat ba sorong shikat dei ban yu ki samla kum badap bor ba Ïeng hala ki jong ki Kjat parula ai ru ka jingkit bokit ruang yo ni samla ba untang la ban keu bat le khambha ha ka kam jong u khnang ba unla ru ban ai men sim ki wei ha ka Jingim jong ki nalor kong san ha ka ni ka sngi le don kat lang ru ki kme ki pa jong badap bor ki bahayeng hasem ki parlok parajor pat kinong shak hot ngobha
pleasure. I can open the meeting of Accentuate.
Baro, I would like to speak both in Khasi and English since we have guests from also India who is Mawjam and I will speak also Khasi and because I go you play can rad play kalat ni me ban play kan ni kan jakama IT kai yang upcoming skills in profession of Meghalaya and ngai go you big pa jonga ladan ni la rap nga kata stem balik rap nga Briew yang ada kedukaan itu, Ïeng iba apol, belah dan mana siapa orang, boleh buat kelas, Edmonds, you come dari ini kau, I'm very grateful to him, and also the Chief Minister of Meghalaya for giving chances to me to open, and you want play ini late di master class for Shillong Club negeri Jakarta, and publish one apol, and kau Hasina. And then I'd like to thank Mawjam who's here, who was my boss and Dean of Fashion Academy, Pearl Academy, the well-known fashion institute in India, coming all the way from Delhi here with his mother, and Sir Brian, and Rochelle, and Ranjal, and all of you. Thank you so much.
I mean, it's very emotional, the entire progress. There is Josh. When Josh came for the first time, I remember we were looking for a wood father, basically. And he was advised by another father. So Josh came with like nice suit and immediately got my attention. But I don't think he had any teaching experience at that time. In a span of a couple of years, Josh was the one who was teaching our teachers. We sent Josh to Mumbai because he constantly wanted to upgrade himself. And he's been throughout the career with us, he's been one of the most dedicated person, professional, and loved by every single student. I never received one single complaint from any of the students of Josh. Josh is the only one in my team who always are the highest, what we call it TQ, which is teaching quality. So the day that he told me that he wanted to leave, it was one of the most difficult things for me, because of course losing an excellent team member is always difficult. But I think being here today and seeing that you're open in this space, I'm one of the happiest person in the world. And
Thank you so much. Thank you.
so anyways, if you want to ever invite any of your students to take part of any of the Lakme Fashion Week, we are just one phone call away.
Sure.
And we keep calling him to Delhi for masterclasses now.
Sure.
So you have to allow him to come and teach again at the Pearl Academy.
First and foremost, let me congratulate Madam on this momentous occasion of his transition. I say transition because when I first met him, he was in a long queue of job seekers. And today, he is not a job seeker anymore. He is an employment generator. So it's a major transition, a growth story, which as a close friend of his family and as a public representative, I am deeply proud of. Today, to be on the Ïeng the Paulo Estepa, but not getting a day, but done immediately. This is an occasion for us to rejoice, and also this occasion goes very well with the current cause which we are propagating, which is youth-centric and youth at the core of our activities. Just yesterday, the state government had launched its own OTT platform, which will facilitate musicians and movie makers a platform which is Briew. And also, as part of yesterday's program, we had formally partnered with Hardwork Cafe, which in the month of August itself, one of the local bands from Shillong is traveling to Bangalore to perform at 2 of their cafes. So the attention now is shifting towards the youth, and I reiterate what I have always said, that the energy of the youth can be channelized in the right way. Because if you do not use it in the right way, it gets wasted. It is like a river which has so much of power, so much of force, but if you do not tap that river, it can only wreak havoc, bring destruction, flash floods, destroy crops. That is the latent energy of the river. But once you channelize it in the right manner, that river can produce even power and generate power supply. Once again, I wish your venture the very best. I believe people believe the same, but again, believe ulang berkata ini, dalam negeri ini. But yeah, I expect to see more. Probably this will be the first venture, but over the years, I'm sure Madam will be able to expand and go even further in life and be a source of inspiration to all of us. We should ask ourselves, are we part of the problem or are we part of the solution? Do we still just waste our time cribbing about things, or will we provide solutions? Wish good day. Thank you so much.
Mga kating badang por nyota sa po jail and tangan kuliah po academy na lang ha. Jadi kami kapag here academy. Jadi kursus ng balay-balay pada si balay. Well, dalam mencuba kalau aku akan play pemain sabar, aku senang pemain sabar untuk gay sabar, kat Islam, mereka industri juga hair makeup. Kalau aku apa itu mencuba akan dream kayak akan play ketika dukan bukan ketika jingkai ai kena sport salon sini. Di semua jadi langsung play, malah play kelat kan, play ketika jaga ai jingkai kena apa mereka tunjuk sebagai state of North East. Ek bang sab la yok mga sabar atas dem dapat pangan ai ni kan Kyntiew ya ka state ng jong. Nas dang kati jaga how brai 2008 sa Bangalore po Mawjam Habib in here. Tadi waktu ngatri po Mawjam Habib, ngatri po few salons po Bangalore, and then later kayo a chance po government of Meghalaya apply course for UK. They took a big up the sponsor of government Meghalaya, but we have a late interview, but that's the process of few selection process into, and then clear test, and then interview, and then I let for join the academy where I think Habia, who is from United Kingdom affiliated for Delhi. I let course about 6 months, and then after there, immediately I was a topper in my academy, my batch. I come likely come to Delhi after some way. I joined few salons, few salons for Delhi, but for Faridabad. After there, later I joined for MAC Cosmetics, which is one of the top store in North India, Saket Mall. I played for 2 years, and then 2 years I offered for ILFS Skills India as a trainer. I trained to Aslam. And then Aslam after that, I offer for Pearl Academy as a senior lecturer. Then Pearl Academy is one of the top fashion academy in India. And I trained to those them, and then it was this year baka kuan sedang nakajong. Tak kan. Kaya po ketika jakabay kaya kami, kita design ka course hakatang gambar, ikna how we can learn how to make up hairstyle, also how to face for an interview, so the interview shy. Lang tayo kini course kila add kini model sa styling, because kung ki artist, kung ki hairstylist, so ko apan groom kini client like for dressing. Kat naman style kuno nang tabi and then also photography as a makeup artist, hairstylist, tip kuno ban chandur makatig na po phone na po camera gila include airbrush masterclass in course kini one day masterclass kini become different what we have here in salon and towards the end of the module alap assessment berkhoi the group na how to face the interview, how to go to make your own CV, portfolio, because it's important nowadays for social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and have portfolio ng jong. Currently we are library, and then so you can pay 2 installment. It's only 35,000 for 3 months. And then the fees are designed in such a way that you can join the academy, and then after they make up free, keep practice class. Also, we will tell them you can keep the make products, hair product, keep it's a guide for you. Kalau tu course machine lain, kita akan panggil Lade makeup course, first go on advanced fashion editorial hairstyle makeup. It's 3 weeks, and 1 week they just panggil films, prosthetic makeup, cuts, brews, film horror. And 3 weeks. They do athlete assessment. After assessment, you have to clear, then you'll get the certificate. Yang kata yang happen kailangan design ka government, yung umbrella because we haven't charged ka fees balik kay make products yung we haven't hit about them. Dapat yang kata yang padan menta. We're looking forward like hadir ngitwa in Manila ibang lakat na. Berpo na pendong, berpo na salong ibang lakan siu tak bak fees ham dit message from I tinggi kasih jantia tunjuk ke mulai barang ni kiblang sedang buat benda dengan lain makeup, hairstyle, beauty dari skin look mulai kami keba suk mo kaba jenjar ha nga khatan stem lebih dulu asong tuk sebuah Faridabad we orang siu untuk hok ibarat kita so nakabas itre kakajing shot slap kakajing shot ski tinting mensayal lelu ndai ngadap kumno so ngap dak ta they come masuk bande akade but you have to have determination and commitment and also a passion very important. You should have these 3 things determination, passion, and commitment, you should have something. If not, you need to have it. I'm not forced to Ïeng or let them die. If I'm not going to what the kata di bang Pak Prime Minister ki nak kita nak Shillong, kita nak Sri Jakarta Shillong. But you have a taste of big masuk, but once you are there, masuk. What? Mungkin orang melakukan education yang melakukan construction ski dia akan dia kursus, dia akan make up, dia hair, dia hairstyling, construction about dry shop, basic ski Shillong. I am where I am right now also because of my grateful for God helped me so much. And also very interested in jaga, Briew lah untuk yang hoi itu. Kadang kadang saya design banyak jenis kayu ikna you, and also balik freelancing lah kerjong, boleh kerjong kita. Iklan kita buat balik freelancing.